Fortmatic Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of Fortmatic Wallet. Links to the product and its features can be found in the description below. Let's dive right in. Fortmatic is a web-based wallet designed to make interacting with decentralized applications, DApps, and blockchain networks as simple as possible. It was created for users who want to access decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and other blockchain-based services without the need for complex setups like hardware wallets or browser extensions. Fortmatic allows users to log in using just an email address or mobile number, making it a highly accessible option for newcomers, yet still powerful enough for more experienced crypto users. Key features of Fortmatic include its seamless DApp integration across various platforms like Ethereum, and it offers access to popular services like Uniswap, Compound, and OpenSea. It's fully compatible with major dApps and smart contracts, allowing users to send and receive Ethereum-based assets without needing additional extensions or apps. Fortmatic also supports easy account recovery using an email or mobile number, which eliminates the risk of losing access to your funds due to lost private keys. The wallet is fully non-custodial, meaning you control your own private keys at all times, and it integrates well with Web3 platforms, which is great for anyone looking to interact with the decentralized web. Strengths of Fortmatic include its user-friendly design, especially for beginners who are intimidated by the complexities of traditional crypto wallets. The ability to sign transactions and interact with dApps without a browser extension is a major convenience. Fortmatic also makes fund recovery easy, which adds a layer of security compared to some other wallets. Moreover, it's a non-custodial wallet, so your private keys are never stored by the service. The main weakness of Fortmatic is that it's currently limited to Ethereum-based assets, which may be restrictive for users dealing with other blockchain networks. Additionally, as a web-based wallet, it's slightly less secure than hardware wallets, particularly for those with large crypto holdings. In conclusion, Fortmatic Wallet is an excellent choice for those looking for easy access to dApps and the Ethereum network, especially beginners who want a simple, fast, and secure way to get started. For more details, check out the links in the description.